Okay, looks good. All right. So, looking at these at the bottom, the first thing we're going to do is what we started at the top. So the negative 3, or this becomes a negative 3 when you bring it over. Because really, to get rid of it, you're subtracting 3. So let's put this in standard form. 4t squared minus 11t minus 3 equals 0. Okay, so this is A, B, and C. A equals 4. B equals negative 11, and C equals negative 3. And if you put it in the right order, A, B, C, that's what the numbers will be. A is 4, B is negative 11, C is negative 3. Okay, for these first two, I went ahead and wrote out the form for you, but you're not going to have that on your EOC, so I'm not going to give it to you all the time, but just to get you in a good habit here, I'm going to do that. Okay, then follow the formula. This first spot is negative B, so put the value of B there. Okay, so negative B. Well, B is negative 11. This is B as well. It's negative 11. A and C. A is 4. C is negative 3. And down here, 2A is 4. Okay? Let's go ahead and look at what happens next here. Negative 11. If you go in your calculator and hit the negative sign twice, negative 11 will give you positive 11. Copy that plus or minus, copy the square root. Negative 11 squared is 121 minus 4 times 4 times negative 3 is negative 48. And in the denominator, 2 times 4 is 8. Can you scooch that up a little? Okay, let's see what we got here. 121 minus a negative 48. It's going to be 169. And does this come out evenly? Yes, it does. So that's going to give us 13. Okay, some of our answers are going to be fractions here, so I'm going to encourage you to just leave them as fractions if they come out as decimals. But let's see what we get here at first. Let's do the plus first. 11 plus 13 is 24, and 24 divided by 8 goes evenly. That's 3. Okay. Let's look at the minus. 11 minus 13 is negative 2. And negative 2 divided by 8 is negative 0.25. So those are my two answers. Now I could have also left this as negative 2 over 8, and that would have reduced to 1 over 4 as well. 0.25, 25 cents is 1/4. So you can deal with that as a fraction as well if you want. Okay, I'm going to, let me see, scooch this a little bit so you can still see that example or most of it and try that next one. I think that next one I might just do on the board there. Okay, cool. So go ahead and try that out, and there are also a few on the back. You're missing the form there, but it's the exact same thing that you're doing, and a lot of good practice on this will make you really good at it. It is a big, long process, but that's all it is. So the more you do it, the better you'll be. So go ahead and